What is up, everybody, and welcome back to my channel for another one. Real quick, if you haven't done so already, please make sure you hit the like and the subscribe button and click that notification bell so that way you will be notified any and every time I post another video. It's a free and great way to support the channel, so you might as well just do it. Man, oh man, let me tell you, yesterday was absolutely insane. For a moment, coin market cap was going through the roof. I was a trillionaire for a few seconds, maybe even 10 minutes. You were a trillionaires, your friends were trillionaires, everybody that you knew were trillionaires. I was gonna buy a few things for myself, but then you couldn't cash out. But then we found out that it was actually a glitch or a hack. Fun times, let me tell you. I believe that's actually gonna be a taste of what's to come once regulation actually comes out and once the US is finally not stifling innovation. But that's just me. That's just my take on it. But one thing that actually happened that actually opened up was I was getting messages because they wanted to know what this XRP was and how it was used and how they can get it. So without further ado, we're going to do a quick crash course on what XRP is and what they're doing and what XRP is actually doing for the actual ecosystem. XRP is right here. It's one of the best digital assets for global payments and to free up liquidity, to create liquidity, and just be really quick. XRP is a digital asset built for payments, and it's right here, folks. It is the native digital asset on the XRP ledger, which is an open source, permissionless, and decentralized blockchain technology that can settle transactions in 3 to 5 seconds. XRP is sent directly without needing a central intermediary, making it a convenient instrument in bridging two different currencies quickly and efficiently. This is amazing. XRP is the chosen one. Once this Ripple versus SEC lawsuit is over, it would be the only digital asset that is regulatory compliant. We just have to go through all the fire. How is XRP used, you might ask? XRP is faster, less costly, more scalable than any other digital asset. XRP and the XRP ledger are used to power innovative technology across the payment space. Ripple is focused on building technology to help unleash new utility for XRP and transform global payments. Third parties are also pursuing other XRP-related use case. So yes, XRP is a beast. XRP is one of those cross-border payments that allows people to send payments back and forth with a quick settlement time. Third parties are using XRP. Third parties are creating patents for XRP. It's just absolutely insane. And let me tell you this, Bitcoin and XRP are completely different. And here's why that they are completely different. Bitcoin is proof of work, okay? That proof of work is a type of protocol that allows miners to find blocks, validate the blockchain, and create a lot of power, waste a lot of power, waste a lot of energy, whereas XRP uses the XRP Ledger Concisus protocol. There's a hard cap of 21 million units on Bitcoin. There's a fixed supply of 100 billion units minted in advance on the XRP Ledger. And here's the big difference here, folks. For Bitcoin, miners order transactions into blocks to maintain transaction ledgers. The node operators keep copies of the digital ledger, whereas XRP, the validators both maintain transactions ledger and keep a record of transactions. Only UNL approved validators are trusted by the network. That both Bitcoin is a permissionless node. XRP is a permission node. Bitcoin is not controlled by a central authority, and XRP is also not controlled by a central authority. The XRP has grown to be decentralized so much that there was an issue that the network got clogged, and the people not Ripple, the people actually helped funded the developers so that they can actually help unclog the network. And XRP can facilitate faster transactions because there's no mining involved in the transaction process. Instead, miners are competing for block rewards and ordering transactions into the ledger during this process. Validators verify transactions without promise of reward. Those particular validators are vetted and trusted by Ripple and other third parties. So it's not just Ripple. And this trust is the necessary for XRP's design to prevent double spending. And XRP has never had a double spending at all. XRP is not centralized. XRP is decentralized. There's a lot of things happening on the XRP ledger. You got NFTs that's happening on the XRP ledger. You can buy stock with XRP on Uphold. That's where you can buy your XRP right now is on Uphold so far. There's just a lot of things happening. XRP banks are partnering with Ripple to utilize CBDCs on the XRP ledger. You got Palau. You got the Digital Pound Foundation that's going to create, the digital pound on their end. There's a lot of things happening. You got banks working to utilize XRP payments. You got Citibank. You got Bank of America, possibly Goldman Sachs. There's a lot of things that's happening. And one of the things that's really going to be happening is when it comes to Ripple, and once this SEC versus Ripple lawsuit is actually over, it's going to be mind-blowing, folks. I'm telling you, it is going to be mind-blowing. And what is actually going to be happening is right here. Finastra partners with Ripple to manage cross-border payments easier with RippleNet. And now that we talked about what XRP is and how it's used, this is what their utility and use case is going to be, because at the end of the day, liquidity, utility, and mass adoption will come into play. And this is how it's going to come into play. It says here, RippleNet via Fusion Total Messaging allows existing bank systems to route payments efficiently, leveraging instant settlement to transact in seconds instead of days. This is absolutely insane. As you can see on the right, this is how it works. This is my bank, per se. Let's just say this is like a Chase Bank, okay? And at the bottom, you will see the bank offices, right? So then I would deposit something, and then Finastra, then there would be a Finastra says Ripple connection to the right, and then messaging system, and then it would connect to the cloud, and after it connects to the cloud, it goes to the next bank. And that's with having XRP on both ends of the spectrum. This is absolutely insane. It says, as a result, communications with counterparties and operating in multiple currencies, languages, time zones, and regulatory environments introduces risk. Manual intervention further burdens resources and can lead to human error. Banks and corporations need a technology that can eliminate manual interventions, reduce risk, improve efficiency, and perhaps most importantly, save time and money. With Finastra and Ripple's partnerships, regulated financial businesses and banks can connect to RippleNet, a network via a Fusion Total Messaging adopter. This is crazy, because this actually sounds like this is actually going to actually take over and knock Swift off of its high horse. This is exactly what it's doing. Then it goes off by saying banks, non-bank institutions will save time and increase operational efficiencies throughout global functionality. Folks, this is absolutely crazy. This is insane to me. This is what XRP is capable and will be capable of actually doing, people. XRP was built to be a cross-border payment system. And now, once this lawsuit is over, XRP will be a beast. This also says, so this is what it's good. These are the benefits of the actual protocol. It's going to reduce costs. It's going to improve usability and be transparent. It's going to increase operational efficiency. Check this out, folks. Reduce costs. With RippleNet via Fusion, total messaging processing transactions through RippleNet is easier, offering an out-of-the-box integration for the financial industry and their mainframe system. This results in a significant cost savings. This accommodates high volumes of transactions with a target processing time of 1 million transactions per second. There it is, 1 million transactions per second. If you didn't know, now you know. This is actually knocking Swift off of its high horse. This is going to replace Swift. At one point, we thought that they were going to actually be teaming with Swift. No, folks, know what you hold. This is what XRP was built for. This is what XRP was designed to do. Please, please, please. Even though I'm telling you what XRP was, when it was created, and what its purpose is, I want you to do your research, because yesterday CoinMarketCap said XRP was valued at 21 million something per coin. And there was a rumor prior to that saying that XRP was going to be bought back at 37,500, something like that a coin. Stuff like this keeps happening. And like I like to tell people, it may not have full validity to it, but there's some truth behind it. There has to be, because there's all of these high prices just keep coming out. But that's my take on it. Let's go to improves usability. It says Fusion Total Messaging uses a Web 2.0 base interface, which meets the highest requirements in terms of usability and gives users a full access to the platform and its applications at any time, in any form, anywhere. Browser's base model also means that customers can benefit from upgrades and add-ons. That Finastra develops quickly and easily without time-consuming and costly software updates. Training and online help can also be easily assessed via the web-based and technology. This is insane, folks. Let me tell you, this is just absolutely insane. And then the last benefit is increases operational efficiency. What this means is that when this increases operational efficiency, Fusion Total Messaging is designed to operate in multiple languages. This is crazy. Different time zones and for different regulations with advanced, straightforward through processing. This means that users can set rules appropriately, communicate with counterparties globally, and access the correct information anytime, any place, and any language. Ultimately, this significantly reduces the time and effort required to conduct payments and operations on a global scale. RippleNet via Fusion Total Messaging allows existing bank systems to route payments efficiently, leveraging instant settlement and transact in seconds instead of days. It can also search algorithms based on advanced technology, significantly reduce the time and effort required to obtain visibility of fees, delivery time, and status of customer information. Folks, this is absolutely insane. My mind is blown. Like, I keep telling, this is what XRP is. XRP is a cross-border payments digital asset that allows people to transact at low fees, fast settlement times, and it is just a beast in itself, people. It is a beast in itself, but we have to get past the Ripple versus SEC lawsuit, and I have a feeling that the Ripple versus SEC lawsuit will be either settled soon or it will go all the way to judgment. And if it goes to judgment, the SEC will lose it. So I believe the SEC rather believes and feels that if they do that, they might as well just settle, so that way they can deem XRP as a virtual currency, a non-security for cross-border payments. And once that happens, folks, the walls will come down. The price will probably be not to what we just saw yesterday, but it will be something spectacular, folks. XRP is the phoenix that will rise from the ashes. I'm telling you, folks, do your research on it. You can only buy XRP right now from Uphold. That is the only place that American citizens can buy XRP. But once this lawsuit's over, I can guarantee you the Coinbases and all the other, the Binance US and all the other places are actually going to repost it. But that's my take on it, everybody. That's what XRP is. That's what XRP can do. That's it for me. Please make sure you hit the like and please make sure you hit the subscribe button and click that notification bell so that way you'll be notified any and every time I post another video. That is it for me, folks. Make sure you have a good day. Take it easy. We're not trillions yet, but we are on the way. As always stay locked in, stay focused. Peace.
If you were king for a day and you were going to tell us, here's what you need to do to structure the regulatory framework, in a minute and 39 seconds, tell us what that would look like.
I mean, I can barely introduce myself in a minute and 39 seconds, Congressman. I come back to the concept of parity. I don't know why we believe that incumbent institutions are risk-free and anything new is highly risky. So if I have a platform built on a blockchain that is doing lending, I don't know why it's so hard for us to say that can participate in our banking system. If I decide that XRP is a security, why won't we let it list on a US exchange? The problem is we treat crypto assets differently from all other assets. And the answer is just recognize them for what they are. These are assets that represent some underlying activity. It could be a network, it could be an application. They have a value that people are willing to buy and sell at. Let them in. That would be my message. Let them in.